Germany, a country I'd longed to visit for quite some time. For years my friends have been telling me about the massive carp that reside in the lakes and waterways. This year would be my opportunity to experience German carp fishing for myself, and what an experience it would turn out to be. Heading through France and into Belgium, I decided to stop off for a night at Antwerp to break up the drive and hook up with my good buddy Yella. How we doing, buddy?
I'm fine, mate. How are you?
Good to see you, man.
Cheers, mate.
Yeah, I'm hyped to be doing a quick night in Belgium, so yeah.
You're welcome.
But even more looking forward to your wife's tagine, bruv.
Yeah, it's big. Look at it.
Oh, let's check it out. Oh, that's proper, mate. Gonna eat good tonight, bruv.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna grab my kit, yeah, and get sorted, yeah?
Yeah, we get
cool.
Sorted.
Gonna whip my rig off quickly, have a good lead around, see if I can find any spots before I just cast this out. Still don't want to be fishing blind. Boom, and money right there. After finishing off my preparations for the night, I sat down with Yella for a catch-up while enjoying his wife's authentic homemade Moroccan tagine. With the arrival of dawn and the rods remaining motionless for the night, it was time to pack up, ready for the drive ahead. Well, unfortunately we didn't manage to catch any carp last night, but it was a lovely opportunity to catch up with my old mate Yella and sample some of his wife's beautiful Moroccan tagine. I've got a 7-hour drive in front of me now, where I'm going to go hook up with Tilo, and hopefully we'll have some better luck at the next destination. Well, we've arrived in the city, just trying to find a tackle shop that I'm meeting Tilo at now. And yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to get the rods out. It's getting late, it's getting dark, but yeah, he's already seen fish at the venue, so I'm hyped. I can't wait. Now where is he?
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks man. Mega drive.
You're fishing?
Yeah, we blanked last night, but we're hoping for something a bit better tonight.
Yeah,
so,
we saw a lot.
Yeah, I see on your WhatsApp, mate, so yeah, mega hyped. Mega hyped, yeah. Right, should we go get our licenses sorted then?
Yeah,
Bob?
of course, yeah.
Wicked. Let's go. Hi guys. How are we getting on with the licenses?
Sehr schön. Dann muss ich noch rechnen. Guck mal so grimmig.
Now, all of that used to be a lake, so Tilo tells me. It's drained right down just to a channel in the middle, and yeah, that's where we're going to go fishing. I'm super hyped for this. I'm going to get Tilo to explain exactly what this lake is about when we pull up, because it's really an odd one, but yeah, mega hyped for this. So we're here then, bro.
Here we go.
You're going to tell me a little bit about this lake that we're looking at here?
Normally it's a 150 hectare natural barrage lake. I don't know. And in the winter month there's just a small river, so we fish there, like a 10-meter river.
So all the fish are condensed down into that small area. Mate, sounds like a great shout to catch my first German carp, bro.
Yeah, well, you will definitely.
I've burned down to ashes. Cold air once was your passion.
Watch out.
Tree.
There's something you don't know.
Literally, that is bow waves for days. Oh mate, this is going to be awesome tonight.
There's something you don't know. That path is all gold.
Yeah, check the gang out. German Massive and crew ordering up kebabs. I'm going to get my rods out. With our bellies full and the temperatures falling fast, we tucked ourselves up into our sleep systems, convinced a sleepless night lay ahead. Well, unfortunately I blanked again last night. But Tilo managed to catch a nice carp, didn't you, buddy?
Yeah, man. Nice coming.
Yeah, lovely. So we're going to pack up now and go grab some breakfast, lighten up our kit afterwards, go for a good walk and see if we can find some fish further up the river.
German whip, Samir.
Yeah, you know, bro.
Go fishing to the river.
Mega excited, mate. We've got seen some carp already, haven't we, bro? So, yeah, hoping we can sneak a couple out before we choose our spot for the night.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm pretty confident.
Maybe your first German carp. Oh, did you ever catch a German carp, Samir?
No, I've never caught a German carp.
So the mission is to catch your first German carp, or what?
That's my mission with you today, yes, Tilo.
Oh yeah,
we're gonna
boy.
do it. Let's go. The fish are just in the edge here, so we're going to try and creep up on them, get set up away from the water, then drop our rods in and hang back. Just having a quick switch up on tactics here. We found like quite a large number of fish swimming up and down in the shallow part of the river, but yeah, they've been swimming over the top of my bait and it's absolutely driving me insane. So I just think I need something with a little bit more traction. I've decided to go for another slip D rig, but this time with a small stick with a cultured stick mix, cultured hook bait. I've just soaked it up in some of this spod liquid and I'm hoping that'll be enough to get them to drop down as they're swimming by. Right, we're going to go get these in now and hopefully we can catch a fish quickly before it gets dark. Right, I'm just going to creep up the bank. See the lovely, lovely linear up there. Like a really nice one. And a nice mirror as well. As the light began to fade and the heavens opened up, and still with no carp to our name, it was time to find a new spot for the night. Well, Tilo got stuck a minute ago, but I managed to get him out with my tracks. And I was up for reversing out, but for some reason he's made us drive all the way down here, and now we can't get up this bit here. Literally, we've got two options, here Or the hill of certain death. We're not getting up that either, that's for sure. Oh guys, what are we gonna do?
Carp fishing.
What are we gonna do?
Tonight. We leave here the rest of our life. No.
Mate, well at least we are next to water, so we can get the rods out tonight.
Yeah, so this is not the problem, but
we have to go tomorrow.
You have to go, maybe.
Yeah.
So.
Oh man, and we thought we won when we got you out earlier on, eh?
What?
After we got you out back there, we thought, yeah, we're like kings,
now
mate.
it's more than before, so maybe you have to beep it. I don't know.
Maybe. Samir. Yeah.
We got a tractor, man.
Yeah, boy. What's up? Bro, I thought we was going to be fishing here all night, bruv, and maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after. But he's coming now, yeah?
Yeah, he comes now. First with a small tractor, and if it don't work, he go back and get the bigger one.
Yes, Tino.
But we hopefully
my man
gonna work, man.
That right there, coming towards us now, is indeed salvation in the form of a tractor. Yes, finally we are going to be free. Oh yes, thank God for German farmers. Yes, we did it.
We did it, man.
Yeah, we're free. Thanks to this man here, Marcus, absolute legend.
The drama is over, man.
Yeah, for sure, mate. Now we can get the rods out.
Yeah, first German Carp was waiting, man.
Please, mate, after today's grief. We've had a tough ride, really, haven't we, matey?
Yeah.
Cold, wet, rain, muddy.
Tractor.
Oh, man. But yeah, let's hope, mate. We're going to do our best, mate. Give it our best shot. T-Lone's had to shoot back to Berlin as he's got work to do today, and as you probably guessed by now, it's been another quiet night. I'm not really too sure what's been going on, and it's been driving me insane watching carp swim over my baits without catching one. Vince, Thilo's mate, thinks it's because they've dropped the level 2 weeks ago and the fish have only just moved into the channel and they're probably too stressed to feed. But hey ho, that's carp fishing. Now I've got a monumental drive across to the other side of Germany to hook up with Flipper, where hopefully I'll have more luck there.
All right. Come in.
Yes, bro. How are we doing, man?
What's going on?
Yeah, mate. On a mission for my first German carp still.
We catch here?
Hopefully, man.
Yeah,
hopefully. You all good, though?
Yeah.
Yeah, should we get ready then? Just get sorted, man.
I think we can sit here.
Yeah.
I'm fishing there.
Yeah, mega. Oh, that looks a lovely sheet of water out there. Big gravel pit, hey? Yeah.
And a lot of fish, man.
Yeah, fingers crossed for us, hey? I was starting to feel the pressure. This trip could be a total blowout if I didn't catch at this venue. Taking no chances, I opted for a highly attractive cultured bottom bait, capped with a white pop-up and a small stick soaked in spod syrup. For my second rod, I was going for a Fangs gyro rig and a cultured pop-up cast to the edge of a weed bed. Now that was quick.
We have no net.
Unfortunately, Flipper lost his fish in a weed bed. Wrapping up to get his rod back out on the spot, I was soon into my first German carp. Big ups, mate.
Perfect.
First German carp, man. Mega. Super bust. Let's get him sorted out then. I first German carp from a gravel pit Flipper kindly brought me to. Absolutely melted off, nearly ripped the rod off the stand. From a multi-rig with a citrus hop up and the Scopic squid bottom bait. And yeah, what a lovely way to open our account here. As we stood in the fading light, we were sure there was a lot of carp in the area, and it wasn't long before Flipper was into another fish. That was an absolute one-noter, wasn't it, mate? With the loss of Flipper's second carp, he decided to change from a helicopter setup to a lead clip system, ensuring his lead would discharge on a take and maximising his chances of landing a fish through the thick weed bed he was fishing over. With Flipper's lines back out on the spot, we settled down for some food. It wouldn't be long before Flipper's rod was away again. Now that's a one-noter, Flipper. Whoa. Yes, mate. Yes, you did it. Boom. Come on. Yes, Flipper. I'll put up a hell of a scrap. You don't want to stop, mate. Come on. You done now? You done?
Yes. Woo. It's in.
My G. Thanks, man. The German blank is over.
Yes.
Oh, mate, yeah. What a scrap. He was keen, wasn't he? Absolutely keen. Right, now let's get our bits sorted out quickly then. Bad one, that one, buddy.
No, it's
nice one as well. Bad one at all. Lovely carp. Buzzing with that. Well happy with that. Even though the rest of the night had remained quiet, there was a buzz in the air that morning, and with 2 pristine carp in the sacks, we waited for sunrise to take our pictures.
the last 24 hours. I meet Samir here at my home water in Germany. After I lost 2 fish, I changed my system, changed my helicopter into a drop-off, and now it looks good. Look at this, 15 plus coming. Lovely times, mate.
Yeah, mega carp, 15 kilos there. Lovely fish, mate. Well done, you deserve that. Oh, look at that. What a beautiful carp. Absolutely stunning colours, with a tinge of the winter tones setting in already. It's been frightfully cold this session, and to be honest, at one point I really thought it wasn't going to happen. But our session with Flipper here has gone exceptionally well. I think we've had 5 or 6 runs so far, and with 2 hours left, anything's possible. Next stop is to see Zilla. So for my last night before I head back to the UK. But for the moment, thanks a lot, mate. I appreciate everything.
Hope to see you again, bro.
Yeah, very soon, I'm sure. First bite of the morning. It's one we put out last night. A little bit of a switch up of tactics, and pop-up just hadn't produced any bites. So switched to a snowman rig and small stick with a little bit of spod syrup, and yeah, she's rattled off this morning. Yes, lovely start to the day. Proper angry little common. A good account of himself for his size. But yeah, the fish in here are absolutely immaculate, every one of them, and a pleasure to catch fish like this, that's for sure. Lovely carp. With the rods back out on the spots and the alarms remaining silent for the rest of the day, until the fading light signalled it was time for me to pack up and meet Zilla at the next venue. You're joking, right? Look at that!
Crazy, man.
Oh, mate, you don't want to stop. Is there catfish in there?
Just one or two, but we never catch it.
Oh. Whoa.
I've told you, the sun comes out when we catch a fish.
Mate, that's not normal.
Crazy guy.
That's not normal, mate. Really long.
That's a 30-pounder. It's a really good one. It's 19 kilos, perfect.
Oh, mate. Look at that. What a fantastic end to my session here with Flipper. We thought it was all over and we just started packing up when this one absolutely melted off. The clutch was in meltdown. I thought the reel was going to catch fire, and when I tightened up, this fish showed no signs of stopping whatsoever. An absolute brute. 19 kilos or 41 pounds in English money, and yeah, one of the lake's real gems. A proper old character, and I really can't believe my luck, if I'm honest. Proper lovely times, bro. Yeah, that's my man.
Yes, really great time in Germany.
Yeah, mate. Awesome, absolutely awesome. later, buddy.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, you too. Thanks for a wonderful time, mate. And see you in Zwolle.
Later.
Ciao, ciao. Well, I'm not gonna lie, this has been an incredibly tough trip. The weather's been absolutely against me every step of the way, and I've almost been thinking to myself, it wasn't gonna happen at all. But last night changed all that with my first German carp and my first German 40-pounder. Suddenly there's a bit of hope in the air, and I'm thinking I might actually be able to end this trip on a high. It's been a real struggle. I'm absolutely soaking wet through. I've got hardly any clothes left. I smell like an unhooking mat, but do you know what? I'm loving every second of it. And with that in mind, I best get a move on to the next venue to hook up with Zilla. And I think I'm here, although I'm not too sure. This has got to be Zilla. Yes, mate. How we doing?
Good, good. And you?
Yeah, mega hyped. Caught my first German carp. Caught my first German 40. So
Perfect.
Yeah, I'm buzzing at the minute.
Tonight you will catch more, I think. I hope.
Mate,
we give it a try. We give our best.
Yeah, for sure,
You're
mate.
motivated?
Yeah, maximum, motivated to the maximum, mate. So yeah, I'm really hyped. It's my last night in Germany before I go back to England. So
let's start.
Let's make it count, eh?
Yeah. Come.
Brilliant. Let's go.
Small park lake, I think. 4 or 5 hectares.
Yeah.
It's a gravel pit.
Yeah.
Deep to 10 meters.
Yeah.
But we fish on the snacks in 2 or 3 meters water.
Yeah.
The cups are all in the snacks.
Even in this time of year with the real low temperatures.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, mega, mate, mega. It's a beautiful looking lake, mate.
Yes, yes.
A beautiful looking lake.
Location is good, but you don't see so much. It's dark. We only fish in the dark, but
yeah,
give it a try.
Because we leave early in the morning, hey?
Yes, I have to work tomorrow, like always. I only can fish longer on the weekend, but
yeah,
that's carp life, mate.
Yeah, you know that, mate. Let's do this then.
Yeah, let's do this.
Boom. While I quickly prepared my rods, Zilla wasted no time at all getting his lines out on the spots. Mate, that was instant.
Crazy. The rod was in 1 or 2 minutes. First rod. Samir was making his rods ready. Put the rigs on. I say, okay, I put my first rod in. And the beeper was not on. Feels like a good one.
Instant take, mate.
Yeah.
That's insane. Literally 2 minutes on the rest, eh?
This is carp fishing in Germany. Oh yes, big mirror is coming in the net.
Yeah, mate. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Go on, mate. Yeah.
Nice one.
That's a lovely one, mate. Oh.
Yeah, that's dirty today.
Look.
Oh yes.
Oh, mate, that's a nice fish, man.
That's a good carp.
Yeah, that's
Look
a good
how
carp.
hard the skin is.
Yeah, that's incredible, mate.
And the green on the
He's
belly.
got some width as well. Drop him down in the water quickly so you can see how wide he is across the back. Look at that. He's got some width, mate. That's a lovely carp. Well done, bro.
Perfect.
Big ups. Great start to the evening, mate.
Thank you, mate. I'm very happy. And now it's your turn.
Yeah, I'm going to get the rods in.
Yeah,
Damn.
for sure.
This is like the funniest little boat mission I've ever been on. So funny. Woohoo! Did it go out good, buddy?
Yes. Everything is nice and fine. With a very small boat, that's no problem, I think.
Yeah, it's like the smallest boat I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's the smallest boat I've ever seen too. Rock and roll, baby. Okay. So, Samir, what's going on?
Oh, mate, absolute one-noter. It's like right in the snag, so you've got to feast him out of there. This is pretty tough fishing here.
How long was the rod in?
Oh, mate, 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Perfect.
And, yeah, this style of fishing, as you would say, is Gruber Keller, yeah?
Yeah, Gruber Keller, of course.
Gruber Keller.
Always Gruber Keller in front of the trees.
Oh, mate.
Lovely.
So many snags here. Can't give them an inch. Nothing. Literally.
Feels good?
It's putting up a hell of a scrap. Hell of a scrap.
Strong fish.
Yeah.
And now he's coming. Come on the net. No, you don't want. Whoa, boom! There he is! Samir! Yes, mate.
Come on, man.
Nice one.
Nice mirror. Oh, yeah, here's another nice chunky one. Oh, mate.
It's ripping off, mate.
Yeah, that's wicked. What a lovely carp. Oh, man. That's crazy.
Could go to 15 kilos.
Yeah, perfect. 30 pounder. That's all I wanted, mate. Thank you.
No problem.
With 2 decent catches in the net already, we prepared ourselves for what we thought would be a very busy night. A bit of first light action, eh, buddy?
Yeah, man.
Just packing up, just having a coffee, all the bivvies down, ready to go to work, ready for me to go back to the UK and...
Yeah, the red rod ran off. And I have to go to work in 30 minutes or something. But we have a lot of time. Crazy, man. But the night was quiet.
Yeah, very quiet.
Hopefully you got a bite too yet now, the last minutes. Hopefully big mirror.
Yeah.
Crazy. Whoa, boom! There he is. I've never seen them before. Good 30, possible 40.
Yeah, possible
Look
40,
at the
mate.
bags.
Well done, brother. Yeah,
Good
mate.
end to a nice short session. Quick overnighter.
Yeah, that's ideal.
Big old mirror in the end.
That is a nice big old mirror as well.
Crazy, man.
Well done, mate. Massive big ups, bro.
Perfect, thank you, bro. So here it is, biggest fish of the quick night with Samir. Old German fighter, he was mega strong. Nice scales on the side, lovely carp, lovely times. Awesome, mate. So the first carp from last night, the fish came on Scopex Squid Culture Took Bait. Big belly mirror from the deep Park Lake. Lovely colors, winter colors from the cold water. Good shape, perfect fish.
Wonderful scales. Well, check that out for a German Park Lake hammer. What a lovely carp. As old as the hills and as dark as the night. A proper pucker mirror. Caught fish tight up to the snags. It was proper hit and hold business out there. And a wonderful way to end my session in Germany. Big up Zilla for looking after me. A big shout out to the rest of the German team. German hospitality has just been incredible, really. I'm definitely coming back sometime in September. We're going to hook up with the lads for a proper 3-week-long road trip.
You're welcome, mate. Lovely times.
For sure, mate.
Nice fish.
Bro, thanks for everything.
No problem, bro.
Had a wicked night, and I know you've got to rush off to work now.
Yeah, now I have to work. First showering because I'm smelling. a German carp. Yeah, and now I pack my jacket in the car and I have to go, mate.
Yeah, me too. I've got to pack my stuff up, hit the road and back to the UK. So thanks for everything, buddy, and look forward to seeing you in September, man.
Yeah, hopefully
cool
I'll
beans.
see you again.
Big ups, mate.
See you, big ups.
Now, I thought this session was over, but I couldn't have been more wrong. As I waved Zilla goodbye off to work, and just as I was packing up to return back to the UK, this happened. Well, Zilla's just left, and I was just going to reel my rods in, and this rod's just rattled off.
Rod is buckled. Don't like this. Oh yes. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, mate, that's a big one, that is. Yes,
Tell me what's going on. Got the big one.
I've caught the biggest fish in the lake, bruv, yeah. Thanks for coming back. I know you was at work, mate, and
No problem, mate.
it's I think it's a bit special, this one. I think it's like maybe like 48, maybe 50. So
We will see soon.
yeah, mate.
I'm excited, man.
Come on, let's go get the fish.
Yeah, let's go.
Look at that! An incredible end to an incredible session. I really didn't think it was going to happen here in Germany. We had days of blanking. I tried everything to get a bite, but the last 48 hours have been incredible. What a carp! 51 pounds, 23 kilos. The biggest fish in the lake by a long shot. What a buzz, man. Big ups. Get in here, you. Go on.
Big ups, bro.
Thanks for coming back on your lunch break to photograph this one for me, man.
No problem.
Huge appreciation.
Lake record. Lake record, mate.
Lake record right there.
That's the biggest in here. You got never caught so big.
Mate, that's
Awesome.
That's crazy. This trip had been a tough one at times, but in the end we caught some incredible carp and forged some solid friendships. One thing was for sure, I was certainly coming back next year for another go. So until then, see you later, Germany.